Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Many people know how to make money, but very few know how to keep it. That's why some rise quickly and crash just as fast. Today, I reveal a powerful framework, the Wealth Stability Shield TM. This model explains how wealthy individuals protect their income, assets, and lifestyle from collapse. Section 1. What is the Wealth Stability Shield? The Wealth Stability Shield is a layered financial defense system that prevents income collapse, absorbs financial shocks, preserves progress, allows calm growth. Wealth is not just built, it is defended. Section 2. The 4 shield layers. Layer 1. Cash Buffer Shield. Emergency funds, liquidity access, expense coverage, prevents panic decisions. Layer 2. Risk control. Shield. Insurance. Diversification. Legal awareness prevents total loss. Layer 3. Decision discipline. Shield. Rules over emotions. Delayed gratification. Spending boundaries prevents self-sabotage. Layer 4. Identity. Stability. Shield. Long-term thinking. Values alignment. Lifestyle discipline prevents identity collapse after success. Section 3. Why people lose money because they grow income faster than discipline lack, buffers, chase hype, abandon structure. Without shields, wealth leaks. Section 4. How to build your shield. 1. Secure 6 months cash buffer. 2. Reduce concentrated risk. 3. Create personal money rules. 4. Align lifestyle with future vision. 5. Review shield quarterly. Strong shields. Calm wealth. Conclusion. Money grows best when it feels safe. Protect your progress. Build the wealth stability. Shield TM and never fall backward again.